friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do something a little bit different, and we are going to do two unboxings. The first one is from Influenster. I will share my name and stuff with you down below so you can take a look at what that is. So basically, as long as I review this, I can get badges. The more badges you have, the more boxes they send you. So this is the Staycation VoxBox, and I got this for free. So let's go through this really quick and see what's in here. See, it says Staycation VoxBox. And then it comes with this card. What a steal. Main Magic 10-in-1 primer, multitasking leave-in treatment for all hair types. Get 2 full-size products for $10 only at Costco. That's pretty cool. And then on the back of this card it says everything that's in here, so I'll go through price of everything in just a second. So the first thing that I'm about to pull out is CREST toothpaste, and it is Gum and Enamel Repair Intensive Clean, and this says that it is $6.99, which actually isn't that bad, and it also says available at Target. So that's pretty cool. I love toothpaste. Obviously, I mean, like, who doesn't? But I don't know. I really like CREST. The next thing that's in here is the Completely Bare Moisturizing No Bump Shave Gel for legs, bikini, and underarms. That's pretty cool. It says Shower Fresh Scent Hypoallergenic Formula. That's pretty cool. It doesn't say on here though, or on here, if it is cruelty free. I guess that's something that's worth looking up. It says that it is $4.99. That's pretty good. I'm excited to try this out. Alright, the next thing I'm pulling out is, oh, it's that hair stuff. My hair's wet. I just took a shower because I thought that there was something in here about this. I'll have to try this out. Maybe I'll spray this in my hair now. So it says Main Magic 10-in-1 primer with argan oil and sunflower seed oil. Pretty cool. And then this says $11.99 for the 6 ounce. This is only 1 ounce, so that's pretty cool. Let me take this out and spray it. My hair's wet. I literally just showered. I'm running out of natural daylight, so I really wanted to try to get this done. Alright, let's see. It smells really good. Ooh, that smells so good. This is another one though. It doesn't say whether it is cruelty free or not, so I'm gonna have to look that up. The next two things, this brand for sure is cruelty free. I love this brand. This is the Shea Moisture African Black Soap Bamboo Charcoal Hydrating, oh no, I don't know how to say this, Gelee Moisturizer with Aloe for acne prone skin. This company is no parabens, no mineral oil, no other things that I can't say, no sulfates, and no animal testing. And it's organic, certified organic and natural and fair trade. This company is incredible. I've used some of their face washes before, and my mom has one that she really likes too. So that's really awesome. I'm really excited about this. And it says the Shea Moisture moisturizer retails for $12.99, which is really cool. And then what is this? Oh, I'm a little disappointed by this. I'm not really like a fake nails person. This is Press-On Manicure One-Step Gel. When I saw people were getting them, I saw that there were some really cute ones, but this is not a favorite of mine. I probably actually won't be using these. It's just not my taste. It's not my style. But they're cute. They look short. They look like they'd be short. It's just not really my style. But alright, so that is everything in here. Oh wait, the Impress Manicure, $7.99. Awesome. Alright, so let's put all of this in here, and then let's move on to the fabulous FabFitFun box. I'm super pumped about this. This, if you don't know what FabFitFun is, it is a seasonal subscription box. Which means that it comes once every 4 months, so once for, obviously, for every season. This is the fall box. I did open this actual box because I was just curious as to why it didn't come in like the normal box, but I'll show you in a second why. So opening this up, I also have, I can link all of this stuff below for you. So this itself, hold on. Okay, so this is the fall box. Something else in here. All right. This is the fall box. And I'm so excited to open it. So when you become a member, I am a seasonal member. I don't buy by the year. So that basically means that I'm not like a select or a VIP. I'm not really sure what they call it, but I'm not like the higher tier member. People who pay for more months or more seasons at a time get like, you know, more benefits and stuff. But basically what happens is they send you a bunch of stuff that retails for like $300 something, and you pay, I want to say it's $50 a month, $49.99 for each box, and then you can do add-ons. So I got this add-on. Let me open this up and show you what it is. It is a travel makeup case. Where's the zipper? Which I'm super excited for because one of my jobs, I travel a lot. I work with a dance competition, and we're just always traveling. So this would be something super cute to have, which is why I picked it. I think I got this for like $14 or something. I hope that I can show you or tell you. So basically, it looks like this, and you take it with you. Hope you can see this. And it has like all of these pockets. It's like a lot bigger than I expected it to be. Honestly, I truly thought that it was going to be much, much smaller than this. So this is awesome. It's a nice material. It feels like one of those materials that like if you stain it, you could just wipe it off. All right, so there's that. Let's open the actual box. So some of these things I got to customize. So I knew what we were getting ahead of time, and I got to pick. So here we go. Oh, it's taped. Why? All right, cool. Please don't mind my hair. I know I look crazy. I'm getting my scissors out to cut this open. All right, here we go. And don't mind my no makeup either. Like I said, I just showered and I'm running out of light, so I really wanted to do this. All right. So they send you this, which is the FabFitFun like magazine kind of, and it you know, tells you some of the stuff that's in here, gives you discount codes, you know, cooking videos, because FabFitFun also has an app for the Fire Stick. I haven't actually checked it out yet, the Amazon Fire Stick. I haven't checked it out yet, but I did download it. I know there's like workout videos and stuff. Apparently it's pretty cool. I should definitely get on that. This is my favorite subscription box I've ever gotten, and I've gotten Sephora Play, Birchbox, Ipsy, and now this, and this is my favorite. 50 ways to show your gratitude. Yeah, this is pretty cool. All right, let's keep moving. So then, ooh, what's this? Enjoy $3 off one box of Luna bars on Amazon. Well, that's cool. Oh, pass this card on and your friend will get $10 off their first box. I don't know if I can post this anywhere, but the card's really cute. Looks like a little postcard. And then, yeah, this is really cool, so I'm definitely gonna have to try this out. This is their Rica, means rich and delicious in Spanish, and it's a perfect way to describe our tasty new nut butter filled Luna Rica snack bars. 3 delicious flavors, breakable, filled bites, never subtle ingredients, better for you treat, because life is better with Rica. That's really cool. I'm gonna have to check that out. Cool. And then this says share to win, hashtag FabFitFun. This box is so cute. Fall is my favorite season. All right, so let's take a look at what's in here. I'll just rip the little leaf. Whoa, and there's one in here so you can try. That's so excited. I didn't know that was happening. So this is a Luna Rica salted caramel nut natural flavor, cashew butter filled fruit and nut bar. That's awesome. I was not expecting that. Cool. BeautyBlender. That's one of the things that's in here. I'm so pumped about this. Makeup sponge. I actually needed another one. I've been using the Real Techniques one because I cannot justify spending $20 for this thing, but now that I got one for free, I'll take it. Well, not really for free, I paid for it, but cool. The next thing is Blue in Capri shower gel with notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom from Skin&Co Roma. I wonder if I can open this up and see what it smells like. Come on, open. I'm curious. I'm almost out of my shower gel, so this is exciting. I could try a new one. Oh, it smells clean. clean and musky at the same time, if that's even possible. No, this smells good. I'm excited. It's cruelty-free, guys. That makes me so excited. Awesome. Yay. I'm going to have to find the thing that comes with this. Okay, so then this is Grown Alchemist Botanical Beauty Polishing Facial Exfoliant. Pink grapefruit and glucomannan extract. I don't know what that means. It says free from skin aging toxins and carcinogens. No lauryl sulfate, no petrochemicals, no artificial fragrance, no trisamine releasers, and like a bunch of other stuff. Ooh, this looks nice. Cool, so this is a facial exfoliant. This looks really nice. Oh, I have to pierce it. It smells like grapefruit. It smells really good, and I don't like the way grapefruit smells. Awesome. I need to find the paper that says how much all of this retails for so you can see. All right, I'm going to keep going. Cool. Awesome. So this was one of the things that I got to pick. This is Cobra Bluetooth headphones. And this is just really cool because I don't have headphones, and you got to pick. I didn't know when I picked these. I liked the white because I thought that they were gold because my phone is white. My phone is white and gold. And then the black ones were black and gold, and these are white and pink, but that's okay. Basically, these are Bluetooth headphones. I got to pick between 2 colors of this or an umbrella, and let's be real, who doesn't want Bluetooth headphones? So I'm so pumped to use these. Looks like you can make phone calls from it. Tangle-free cable, built-in microphone, music/phone controller, wrap-around neck design. Bluetooth version 4.2. Battery capacity, I'm not really sure what that means. Charging time 2 hours. Playing time 4 hours. Talking time 4.5 hours. Standby time 90 hours. Guys, this is awesome. I'm so excited about this. Cool. The next thing is makeup. All right, so this is Touch and Soul Metallic. Oh my gosh, why can't I talk today? Metallist Liquid Foil Lipstick Duo. Cool, let's try this out. I believe one end is like a lipstick, yeah, and the other end is a gloss. So liquid lipstick and a gloss. So let's try these out. I brought my handy dandy mirror over, so let's see how this goes. Oh, that was liquidy. Just spilled out on my leg. All right, here we go. Oh, this is pretty. Ooh. I don't know if you could tell, but this is gorgeous. All right, so I'm going to put some on the back of my hand too, just so you can see. All right, so this is the liquid lipstick. And then I'm going to put the gloss on the back of my hand too. Ooh, it's already dried. That's insane. Cool. All right, and here's the gloss. Ooh, pretty. All right, I'm going to put this on too. I am obsessed with it. This is going to be a really great like winter color and fall color. Obviously, this is their fall box. Awesome. I'm so excited about this. Touch and Soul. This is a Korean-based company. That's so cool. All right, let's keep going. I got 2 GlamGlow bubble masks. I'm so pumped. So pumped. I've never tried a bubble mask before. You should let me know in the comments down below if you have tried a bubble mask and if you liked it or not. Let's keep going. All right, so these are tea towels. So I don't live on my own at this moment, but I think these are super cute. It says homemade pretty. These are really pretty. They're very soft, and these are nice. Definitely gonna hold on to these and use them for when I eventually get my own place. Currently live at home because I'm broke, trying to make life happen. All right, and then these last 2 things I am so pumped about because these last 2 things are another set of things that I got to pick. So this is the Vince Camuto bag. I believe this is vegan leather. I will double check. So this is supposed to be like a travel along tote bag. On the inside, okay, it says care instructions. Creasing is normal with vegan leather and will smooth out after normal use. To clean, blah, blah, blah. All right, saying I should put anything more than 22 pounds in here. So I actually did grab, this is so cute. I'm so excited for this. I did grab my laptop. I wanted to see if it fits in here because that's like what it's supposed to do. Oh, this does. It's nice. It's like a nice little... You could see that my laptop is in here. It's like a nice size. And then there's a little like pocket in here where you can put like, you know, pen, phone, whatever. I was so pumped about this. I am so pumped about this. This is such a nice bag. Cool. Let's keep rolling along. And then the last thing I am super duper excited about. I don't drink a lot of tea, but I own a lot of tea. So So I was excited when this was an option because it was either this or a French press, and I didn't really know what I thought that I wanted. So I said, you know what? Let me get the teapot. Let me get the teapot, and we can make myself start drinking some more tea. So for those of you who are avid tea drinkers, you're gonna have to give me some tips on stuff that you think might be good to try, and stuff that you think that I might like. But this teapot is absolutely freaking adorable. Like, look at this. I think these are cherry blossom flowers. They're so cute. So then on the inside, it has this. And I know this is for loose tea leaves, but I'm just curious, like, can I put a bag in here? I don't have loose tea leaves. So those of you who actually drink tea, please let me know down below because I would love to find out. But isn't this so cute? I'm so pumped. All right, so that's everything that came in the box. I do want to look in here, though, and see if maybe it tells us the retail value of all of this stuff, just because I feel like that's really good to know. Oh, horoscopes are in here. Oh, wait, it's in here. Okay. All right, so the BeautyBlender is $20, but we know that. The 2-pack of the GlamGlow Bubblesheet Oxygenating Deep Cleanse Mask, 2-pack is $18. The Simply Whimsical Tea Towels were $14.99. The Luna Bar, it doesn't say, but that's okay because it gave us the coupon. The Skin&Co Roma Blue and Capri Body Shower Gel was $22. The Vince Camuto, the bag that I got was $128. The teapot is $26. The Bluetooth headphones are $40. And then the face wash was $67, and the liquid lip was $24, and that's it. So that's got to be over $300. If I was to sit down and do the math, if I was to sit down and do the math, that's got to be about $300. But I paid, including the $15 that I paid for this, I want to say that I paid $64. I'm going to say I paid about $64 for all of this. That's so insane. Cool. I hope you liked this unboxing video. Let me know if I should do more down in the comment section below. Bye guys, thanks for watching.